Hi guys, welcome to the December 27th Reseller Train Shop Hop Drop Sale. Thank you, Angie's Oddities, for sending you guys over, and I will send you on to the next reseller when we're done. If you don't know, I am Angela with Angela Isaac Vintage and More. I invoice with PayPal, I ship with Pirate Ship, and I ship from right in the middle of the country in the great state of Oklahoma. Let's go ahead and get started. I got a lot of great items for you today. So first up with item number 1. So this is number 1. It is a Peachy Keen Mini Versi wallet. It is in camouflage. It has 2 zipper compartments and a tension ring clasp. It is 4 3/4 inches long by 3/4 inches top to bottom. It is number 1 for $4. Number 1 for $4. Number 2 is the same. It is the Peachy Keen Mini Versi wallet. This one is peach and black polka dots. Again, the 2 zipper compartments, the ring clasp to hook it on your purse or your backpack. This one is number 2 for $4 for the peach and black. Number 2, $4. Number 3 is the same in black sequins. As you can see there, you can see the sequins. So number 3 is in black sequins for $4. Number 4 is the same in silver. Pretty silver sequins. This is number 4 for $4. All right, number 5, I have a beautiful Bagley & Co. Art Deco Grantham blue glass vase. It is frosted glass. It is absolutely gorgeous. It was made by the British company in the 1930s, and it's catalog number 334. It was also made in amber, which sometimes comes with a metal base. This came in this frosted blue color, the frosted pink, and oh, I want to find it, a frosted uranium green. So this one, there is one little nudge right here. Let's get it to show up. Right here. There, it's starting to come in. So there we go. There's a little nudge right there. Any other time, my camera would focus right on time. Right here, it's barely noticeable. It just looks like a not frosted little speck on the glass. Here's the other side, and that is literally the only thing with this vase. That little nudge right there. Kind of have to turn it to even see the color discoloration right there. Just a little clear spot. So, but this little vase, it is a buy it now of $22 for number 5. So the British Bagley & Company Art Deco vase, $20, number 5. Number 6 is vintage O&EG, which is Oscar and Edgar Guthers Royal Austria hair receiver. It is beautiful. Look at that. Those beautiful purple and yellow roses. It is in a powder blue with gold around the base. No chips, no cracks. There we go. There's your mark. Now I will show you. There we go. OG&E Austria. It does say Royal. There we go. There is a little nudge in the porcelain, It's not, as you can see, it's not fully connected, so it's never chipped off, and it may never chip off. But I just want to disclose that. So this is number 6. This was produced from Victorian times through the 1950s to collect shed hair for stuffing pincushions, art, or to create elaborate hairstyles when you needed extra hair. So this is 2 inches tall, 3 1/4 inches in diameter. It has a hairline triangle crack right there on the bottom and a layer of the porcelain. This is buy it now of $12 for number 6. $12, number 6 on the hair receiver. Number 7, I have, this is really cool, a vintage wooden style handled trinket box. It has a metal clasp here on the front. It does open. There you go. Kind of like a barrel design. And then it goes right through there to lock. You can carry it. It is handmade. So this is 5 inches side to side, 4 3/4 inches front to back, 4 inches tall without the handle, and 6 inches with the handle. This cool little box is number 7 for $5. Number 7 for $5. Number 8 is absolutely stunning. This is, let me get it here, a Blushing Beauty teacup and saucer. This is from the Bradford Editions. It is designed by Lena Lou, and it's Lena Lou's Precious Blossoms collection. It says here on the front, Lena Lou. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It is in a taupe. The plate is a taupe with beautiful pink roses. The teacup is a beautiful mint green base on a pedestal with the same design around the teacup, and it has a beautiful porcelain rose here on the handle. There is your Bradford Editions mark. It is gorgeous. No chips, no cracks. It is, let's see, it is a beautiful pedestal teacup with matching saucer and is a buy it now, number 8 for $12. Number 8 for $12. So let me put that to the side. And let's see, number 9. I have number 9. Candle wick. It is a candle wick number 400 dresser set mirror. It was distributed by Irving W. Rice, the iRice Company. It was manufactured starting in 1936, and it was made to simulate the embroidery style of candle wicking. The little balls look like candle wicking. It is 4 1/4 inches in diameter. It is 4 inches tall, and with the stand here on the back, glass stand, it is 2 1/4 inches front to back. It is just a cute little mirror. It is a magnifying mirror. So there I look far away, but when I look in it, I can see every little hair on my face. So number 9 for the little dresser mirror, it's going to be $15, number 9. Number 10 is a 1950s Tremax Industries male and female chef. This is a salt and pepper holder. You could hang it on your wall, and you always knew where your salt and pepper shakers were. It did not come with a set of salt and pepper shakers. It did not. It's just a hanger. And that's what it was intended for. It is 8.5 inches long. It is 7.25 inches tall, and it is 2 3/8 inch deep. This is a buy it now of $10 for number 10. Number 11 is going to be a vintage Homeco figurine. It's number 1409, and it's a figurine of an old woman known as the farmer's wife, and she's part of a set in which she is paired with a male farmer figurine. They were sold separately, but they're usually paired together. She's holding a basket of apples and has a rabbit at her feet. She is hand painted with a matte finish. She's approximately 8 inches tall. She was manufactured in Taiwan in the 1980s, and you can buy her now for $6 by claiming number 11. $6, number 11. So number 12, this is a Fenton, and it's a Fenton hobnail milk glass compote or pedestal bowl. It is absolutely beautiful. It has a distinctive crimped and ruffled edge. It was manufactured by Fenton from 1950 to 1980. It is 7.5 inches in diameter. It is 3.5 inches tall, and you can buy this piece now for $20 by claiming number 12. Number 13 is another beautiful piece of Fenton. It's the Fenton hobnail milk glass compote or candy dish. Absolutely beautiful. No chips, no cracks. It also has the ruffled and crimped edge. It is 7.5 inches in diameter, and it is 6 inches tall. This beautiful dish was manufactured between the 1940s and 1970s. You can buy it now for $24 by claiming number 13. Number 13, $24 for the Fenton. Number 14, I have a vintage silver-plated oval mirrored filigree dresser tray. There we go. Hi. So this is number 14. It is a 13.5 inches long by 9.5 inches wide, and it comes up to 1.5 inches tall on the sides. You can buy the beautiful mirrored tray for $15 by claiming number 14. $15. Number 15, I have a PT Bavaria, which is porcelain fabric, Tirschenruth, manufactured in Bavaria, Germany. This is a small plate. It has a beautiful blackberry motif with gorgeous gold gilding. It has the PT Bavaria mark in green on the bottom. This mark was introduced for use in 1903 in blue and was switched to green for production from 1920 to 1945. This is a gorgeous plate, and you can claim it now for number 15 for $6. 15 for $6. Number 16, I have a beautiful lidded vegetable serving dish. This is an antique porcelain lidded serving dish. There we go. It has beautiful pink roses all the way around on the top and the bottom. Here's your back stamp here. This is number 16. It's an antique porcelain lidded vegetable serving dish. It was manufactured per the back stamp by Schlagenwald, representing the SL in the mark. The factory in Austria between 1880 to 1914. It is a beautiful white porcelain serving dish with pink roses. You can claim it now for $22, number 16. $22 on the antique vegetable dish, 16 for $22. Number 17, I have a beautiful signed lemon serving dish with gold gilding there around the edges. You can see there. The signature, I cannot read anything except for the last name of Roberts. Let's see here if I can get it to show up. It's very hard to read. It is in gold. And like I said, cannot figure out the first name, but the last name is Roberts. It is gorgeous, has no mark on the back. Beautiful lemon server. It is 6 1/4 inches in diameter, and with the handle, it is 1 3/4 inches tall. It is number 17 for $10. Number 17 for $10. Number 18 is a mid-century silver-plated cigarette box. It is cool. It is cool. It's completely silver-plated. Absolutely beautiful. It is marked. It is marked. You can kind of see it there. EPC or EPCA silver-plated. And then it said Pool Silver Company. Pool, Poole, Silver Company, 1899. They were in business from 1899. This is number 18 for the silver-plated cigarette box. It does have a wooden lining, and you can move the thing that marks the little area for your matches. You can move it to make it bigger or smaller. You can see there, you can move it one to make it bigger or smaller. So this is a really cool cigarette box. It was manufactured by the Pool Silver Company. It is silver plated with electroplated Britannia metal, 925 silver. So it is number 18. And it is $24. So number 18 for $24 on the silver-plated cigarette box. Number 19, I have an avocado green. Cool. Avocado green art glass bubble basket. It is 6 inches tall. It is 5 1/4 inches front to back and 5 1/2 inches handle to handle. The glass on the inside is rough to the touch, and under magnification, you can see that the glass is pitted and rough, which usually indicates low glass quality or prolonged exposure to UV rays or heat. It does not affect the beauty of the glass in any way. If you love mid-century colors like me, this basket can be yours by claiming number 19 for $12. 19 for $12 on the cool avocado green basket. So number 20 is going to be another basket. And this is an imperial glass daisy basket in amber. It was part of the company's revival of the carnival glass patterns in the 1960s. It is 10 inches tall. It is 5 3/4 inches front to back, and it has a 3 1/2 inch handle to handle. You can buy this now, number 20 for $16. So number 20 for $16. Number 21, I have an antique porcelain egg server. This would be for your boiled eggs next to your plate or next to your bowl of cereal, whatever. So number 21, antique porcelain egg server. It has beautiful white daisies, hand painted, beautiful. The gold is in incredible condition. There is nothing missing, not a speck. It is 5 inches long. It is 4 inches top to bottom, and it is 1.5 inches tall because it does raise in the back. So this is number 21 for $8. $8 on the egg dish. Number 22. Number 22, this is a Mastercraft green glass bottle. It was designed as a hookah base in Italy in the 1930s and 40s. It has a distinctive moon and star motif with within horizontal stripes, within horizontal lines. Yeah. So this is number 22, and you can buy it now for $15 on this great green bottle. $15. Number 23 is a vintage ceramic teapot. And the great thing about this teapot is that it comes with a matching trivet. So you heat, you boil your water, you put it in the teapot, and then you set the teapot on the trivet, and it doesn't damage your table should it be wood or anything like that. So it is a matching trivet. They are both marked with the same Japan mark. Get you turned around here. So number 15, there we go. The Japan mark there. Japan, matching Japan mark here. Okay. So this beautiful teapot is number 23. It features pinstripe designs in red, orange, yellow, and black. And it can be yours by claiming number 23 for $15 for the set. So number 23 for $15. Number 24. I have some vintage French provincial style or oyster dishes. It is a set of 4. It includes purple, blue, yellow, and pink. There are no chips and no cracks. These are number 24. They're 3 inches in diameter, and you get the set of 4 for $8. Number 24, $8. Number 25, I have a beautiful Fenton Silvercrest, Violets in the Snow. It is absolutely stunning. It was produced between 1968 and 1984. It is hand painted. It does have the Fenton stamp with no number under it. And it does say that it was hand painted by Kay Reese. This one is number 25, and it can be yours for $20. So number 25 for $20 for the beautiful Violets in the Snow by Fenton. Number 26 is another beautiful piece of Fenton. I have a Fenton Peach Crest. It is cased glass, has the beautiful clear edge on it. This is a ruffled rose bowl. It is 4 inches tall and has about a 4 3/4 inch diameter on the ruffle. It is number 26, and it is $12 for the Peach Crest Rose Bowl. Number 26 for $12. Number 27 is a beautiful Hofbauer Birds crystal, lead crystal basket. It is made with 24% lead crystal, and it is intricately etched birds right here with a diamond pattern all around the base and all along the handle. 24% lead crystal. It was crafted in Germany in the 70s or 80s. It stands 11 inches tall. It is 8.5 inches front to back and 6.25 inches from handle to handle. You can buy this gorgeous basket by claiming number 27 for $52. Number 27 for $52. Number 28 is a Frankoma Pottery American flag, American Stars and Stripes Flag of Freedom trivet. It was created by Frankoma Pottery in 1976 to commemorate the U.S. bicentennial, which is the 200th anniversary. The pottery is made from native Oklahoma red clay and features a white sand glaze. It is 6.25 inches in diameter. It has felted feet on the bottom, so it will not scratch your surface. You can claim this, number 28 for $18. Number 28 for $18. Number 29. This also is a Frankoma Pottery trivet. It is the American Eagle trivet. It features an impressed design with the words, the American Eagle, courage, power, and freedom. It too is made of native Oklahoma red clay. It features the felt feet and a description of the American Eagle imprinted on the back. There we go. So you can see that. This is number 29. The American Eagle trivet, number 29 for $18. $29, $18. Number 30 is a Napco frosted vase. It is a really sweet little Napco-ware frosted vase featuring a boy and girl courting scene. It originates from the 1970s and it's made in Japan. It is 7.5 inches tall, 4.5 inches in diameter at the widest part, no chips, no cracks, and it can be yours by claiming number 30 for $8. Number 30 for $8. And then number 31 is going to be a vintage Chalet or Lorraine art glass centerpiece basket. They're describing the way this looks. It is gorgeous. It is olive green. It stands 11 inches tall. It is 7 inches front to back and is 5 inches handle to handle. This is number 31 for $18. 31 for $18. And that is my items, guys. Now, I hope you found something that you like and you've claimed it. If not, send me an email or comment on this video and I'll let you know if it's still available. I hope that you guys continue on this journey and let's go check out Suzi Dragonfly Beez Resale and let's see what great items she's got. So join me. Let's go. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.